Good afternoon po. On the way po tayo to Aberdeen Court para po sa chartering po ng club and additional members, tsaka po induction of officers po, mga kitip.
A few moments later.
So dito na tayo sa Aberdeen Court. Punta na tayo sa venue.
Uy,
Yeah.
pwede.
Uy, si Kuya Ching!
Talaga, ang ganda mong lalaki!
Dito na tayo, mga kitip vlog. Nakita tayo sa taas. Third floor. Alright. Alright mga kuya, I'm here. Patay ka na naman. Yes.
Shoutout!
Parang
Shoutout po!
Shoutout po kay Kuya Bullet.
Kuya, shoutout!
Kay Kuya Romulo. Siyempre po kay Kuya Glenn. Kuya Idol. Right. Ang gaganda naman ng mga anak natin eh. Salamat. Ang natin no ate.
Yung pong list ng mga
by the power vested in me as your past national president for the eager year 2021-23, the chartering of 7 clubs and also additional members under the region of NCR 101 is now called to order.
soon to be chartered.
Followed by Warriors and applicant Benjamin according to the ones small additional members of Eagles. Turn up over Eagles, Philippine Eagles Incorporated, and welcome the Eagles family. Mabuhay Magina! Mabuhay Magina! Congratulations, mga kuya, sa the maternal.
Congrats ate.
Take my hand and come with me where the eagles fly. Commitment to the things we do with our hands. Mga kuya, ate bunso, embrace the Eagles. Please give them a round of applause. As of 6:34 of June 2, 2024, you are now the youngest club of the maternal Ordinary Eagles, Philippine Eagles.
And uphold at all times said Eagles Constitution as well as all laws, rules and regulations duly promulgated by the Philippine Eagles. Help me God. Congratulations to our club officers.
Congratulations, officers! Nandito lang po namin mga national honors are presented by Eagle Verson Arel. The big candle symbolizes divine power. The Philippine Eagles embraces faith in the divine providence. We recognize him as a primary source of power from whom human strength and wisdom emanates. And this power that springs from him provides supreme guidance and directions in our dealings with the community and the people in our desire to achieve our goals. Requesting the sub-presidential table and presidential table to please bow to the divine power. Ready now. Requesting all audience to please bow to the divine power. At this juncture, I'd like to request the three charter president to please.
Okay, the fraternal order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, Charter President, Charter and leaders. So help me God. Congratulations, Charter President.
Thank you, sweets.
Ayan na nga, dumating na.
Pwede kasi kinakain ko.
Yung puwet ha, yung puwet ha. Hindi o, kuya o. Ayan. Pag-imagas na agad ah.
Ate, Bunso, and Friends of Eagles, I would like to convey my ardent greetings and congratulations to all who have taken the oath as a new members and officers of different clubs. Sa abot ng ating makakaya, sa ngalan ng ating dangal, sa Diyos at ng ating bayan at ng ating bansa. As you were inducted to your respective position in the club, I humbly remind you to embrace the foundation. Congratulations sa inyong lahat and mabuhay ang Agila!
Rodeo Messi.
Hindi na buhay.
Pilipinas kundi pang buong Asia. Our national president is truly renowned for his untiring, unending support to our organization. Kaya mga kuya, our national president, the Let's Go More Action national president for the Eagle 2021 to 2023, Eagle Kuya Nelson Alonso Saraburi.
Office of the President.
Welcome to a man I personally admire because of his
Good evening everyone, please get seated. Thank you for that, my friend, for that very
Any objection? Hearing none.
Now, will you accept to become a regular member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, the Eagles Incorporated?
It would be my honor.
Sir, same question. Will you accept to become a member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, the Eagles Incorporated? And answer, will you accept to become a regular member of the Fraternal Order of Eagles, the Eagles Incorporated?
I'm humbled to be a member.
Last question, will you abide? Ma'am?
Yes.
And last word?
Congratulations, mga kuya.
Congratulations, our event honor speakers. You are now a regular member.
Welcome po, welcome po. Yeah, thank you. Welcome po, Yusek.
Thank you so much, Kuya.
Sir.
Mindanao Centennial Region, Kuya Group Attorney Rodel Lasil, to all Kuya, Ate, Bunso, and of the guest of honor and speaker of this activity, Al Junior.
Kaya parang baliktad eh. Nauna yung mga best. Yung mga best speaker maging kasapi, no, ng isang matatag, malaking organisasyon and organization. Let's isabuhay po natin itong pagkakataon na ito. We are so lucky dahil tayo yung tumutulong, hindi po tayo yung tinutulungan. Magandang gabi po at congratulations sa everyone.
Okay?
Our ceremony today, lively and very protocolly. Maraming salamat. Let's drink for the strong pillars of our fraternity, the four pillars: brotherhood,
unity, service, and divine power. But let me emphasize a little further for the PNR unity. As we at CEMIC, we always, unity! Cheers!
Cheers!
Together with our dynamic and sa gabing ito, in behalf of my club, in our club, Quezon City Kaagapay Eagles Club, we welcome you at mabuhay ang Agila.
Mabuhay!
Kasi lahat yan nakatulong na. Para may iba tayo. Para may iba tayo mga kuya ko. Take it from me. Being eagle, don't be a parrot in life. Be an eagle. Why? A parrot talks way too much but can't fly high. But an eagle is silent but has the willpower to touch the sky. In short, mga kuya tati ko, there's no such thing as perfect organization. Walang perfect national officer, walang regional officer, club officer, at lalo na walang perfect member. Pero sana naman, pag nagkaroon ng problema, issue ang inyong club o NCR 100, don't be a parrot. Naikwento dito, Marites doon, Marisol doon, Mariposa, alam nyo? May narites na pinost pa. Choose your own battles in life. Huwag niyong suungin ang hindi niyo problema. Why? Darating ang panahon, kayo din ang shape at bibigyan ng problema ng Panginoon. Drain na kayo. Why? Pinakailaman at ibibigay nyo na sa iba. One of the National Bell Record and one of the National Board of Trustees. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Okay?
Yeah. Picture